I'd like a foot-long Subway club.
Okay, we'll start working on that for you.
Oh, and I'd also like to use my coupon. It's buy one, get one free.
Oh, I'm sorry, but our Subway isn't participating in that discount.
Excuse me?
This Subway isn't accepting those kind of coupons.
Well, this is a Subway, isn't it?
Yes.
Subway. That's what it says on your hat, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
So then where is my discount?
I'm sorry, Karen, but we don't have that.
What did you just call me?
I didn't call you anything.
Yes, you did. I'd like to speak to a manager.
No. What? Get out of here, you hoe!
Did you just...
Mary, is that a police? I'm calling the weed!
420, what you smoking?